You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this name, and clarify once for all the pronunciation, even though, I might not clarify it all that much because there are different pronunciations, I'm afraid. If you want to learn more names from medicine, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Cortisol, that would be British English pronunciation. Now the Americans would say it as cortisol with a T that sounds like a D. Now there are a number of references that say cortisol, alright, with an S sound. So essentially both pronunciations exist, with the S pronounced like a Z, cortisol, or like an S, cortisol. Both pronunciations do exist. Some dictionaries do say cortisol, so I guess both pronunciations are correct. It doesn't really matter which one you use. It's up to you. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.